Hi everybody, you've made it now through 3 lessons in your independent novel of the things they carried. We're now entering lesson 4, the reality of war. So make sure you go through your getting started, and your actual essential question is war ever justified? There are some good pictures here from the Twin Towers referencing war. So it's not just about the Vietnam War. You have a graphic organizer to take notes. Again, this will deal with the vignettes in your reading assignment. A little different graphic organizer than you've had before. Your reading assignments are The Man I Killed and The Lives of the Dead. Again, here are your PDFs. And then once you're done with those two things, you have instruction A. This is a blog that you would want to read through. It helps your comprehension and analysis of The Man I Killed. Then instruction B is a summary of The Lives of the Dead. And then a third one is a video. Again, this focuses on the theme in The Lives of the Dead. You should include information from this instruction on your graphic organizer, and that's listed in there as well. Again, just make sure that you're paying attention to your directions. Once you get to the collaborative learning, give me feedback is your first discussion post. Now, this we may need to adjust a little bit because you are to upload or link your essay. This should be done as early as possible. You should not post and expect your peers to give you some kind of feedback within 12 hours. That's ridiculous. You can't do it for me. Your peers can't do it for you. State in your post the areas in your essay where you think you need help. Then state in your post the areas in your essay where you think you did a good job. Then you're going to go in and you need to actually respond to 2 different people. So what I'd like you to do is try to make sure that you go to someone who doesn't seem to have any feedback, because the whole point is to get as much feedback as possible for the writing that you are doing. Remember that this essay is being done collaboratively, so stay away from the person who you are working with and go to other people's essays and help them out. Your next one is a reading discussion. This one actually has you going back to the graphic organizer and then under direct instruction, and here is your initial post and your replies. As far as the independent activities, again, you have vocabulary practice as usual. You have your note-taking graphic organizer for your web quest. This shows copy and paste your final compare and contrast essay and submit it to your teacher. So that's the document you need to use. You're on the last part, which is your final essay. The link to the web quest again, and here's the assignment where you will upload it. You want to make sure that you are focused on the scenario, role, criteria, all of these things during the writing, and this is how you will actually be scored. Remember that you have written this paper with someone else, and both people will receive the same grade. Thus, you will want to make sure that your partner has done a good job so that both of you can be happy with what you submit. Your journal reflection is next. Again, upload your items from the graphic organizer, and then you have one prompt to talk about. And the last thing is the lesson quiz. There's only 2 questions, as you can see, but it's worth 15 points. As always, contact me if you see anything wrong, if you have any questions, if you need clarification.